Hi, so in this video we are going to discuss the three states of matter, which is the first chapter of chemistry. So the three states of matter are solids, liquids, and gases. So moving on to the solids first. Solids actually have a fixed volume, and the particles of solid are very close to each other. As in this diagram, you can see there are actually negligible spaces between the particles and almost no space actually. So it is actually standing with no space. So the particles are very close to each other. That is the property of solid. The second property of a solid is that it has a strong attraction force between particles. As you can see, the attraction force between a single particle actually glues it to another particle of its own. The third property of solids says that they have fixed volume and fixed shape. As you can see, the shape is quite fixed, and the volume inside it, as you can see in this diagram, is that the volume is fixed, and it is actually not variable, that it is changing every second. Some examples of a solid is carbon, which actually exists in the form of diamond and graphite as well, and you can see diamond in this picture.